Hello guys, welcome to the second video tutorial on Python programming for beginners. In the last video, I have given you introduction to Python and I have shown you how you can install Python on your Windows operating system. And I have given you a little example how you can use this Python IDE called idle for the first time. Okay, so in this video I'm going to continue and I'm going to show you how you can use numbers and math in Python. So if you are familiar with this, last time I have shown you how to open this Python shell, right? If you don't know how to open this shell, once again I'm going to tell you. You just need to go to your start menu and just go to Python folder and just start this idle Python GUI from here, and it will open this kind of GUI shell or Python shell here. Now let's get started and let's see how we can do math in Python. So like simple mathematics, Python can also do the maths for you. So for example, you want to add 5 plus 98, it will give you the answer 103. You can even add minus values. So minus for 34 plus 4, for example, and it will give you the answer 30. Okay. In the same way, you can do the subtraction. 50, 56 minus 34, it will give you the answer, and it will also give you the negative value if you provide the value such as, for example, 34 minus 56, it will give you the negative value. Okay. Now for division, uh, what you can do, you can just write, for example, 21 divided by, so this is the symbol we use for divisions, which is slash. For example, 21 divided by 7 is 3, which gives you the answer. And if you want to divide the number and get some decimal values, for example, 23 divided by 7 will give you 3.28 something, right? So this will also give you decimal values. Now for example, you don't want this these decimal values after the division. You just want to see the whole value or the integer. What you can do, you can just write 23 double slash 7, and this will give you the whole number, which is 3. Okay, you can even, so this number is a integer. And what is an integer? Integer is the whole number, right? You can even use decimal values, which are called float in programming. Float values are values which have some decimal points. For example, 57.2345 or whatever, divided by 3.22222. Okay, and press enter and it will give you an answer. So you can even divide decimal values like this. Okay, and remember this, whenever you want to get the whole number, just use double slashes. Now for multiplication, multiplication is also simple. For example, you want to multiply two number, 56 multiply. So for multiplication, you use this asterisk symbol or star symbol simply. So this star symbol or asterisk symbol will be used as a multiplication symbol. Okay, so 56 multiplied by 4 is 224. So you can use multiplication like this. Okay, now for example, you want to get the exponent of some number. What is an exponent? Exponent is something like, for example, 2 exponent 3 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2, this is the exponent. So you can do it like this and it will give you the answer. But if you want the exponent, for example, 2 to the power 15, how you can do? You can do something like this: 2 multiplied by 2 not like this, but 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 15 times, and this will be lengthy, right? So the simple way to find the exponent is use double asterisks or double stars and then the power. So 2 to the power 15 is 32768, okay, or 2 to the power 5 is 32. So this double star or double asterisk you can use to get the power or exponent of your numbers, okay. Now you may be wondering what may be the order of your operations. Which operation will take place when you have multiple operation at the same time? For example, I want to do 3 multiplied by 4 plus 5 minus 6 and then divided by 1, or not 1 but 2, for example. So what will be the order? Will 3 into 4 will happen first, or 4 plus 5 will happen 4 plus 5 will happen first, or 5 minus 6 will happen first, or what will be the priority, okay, or what will be the order of this operation? So like simple mathematics, if you remember when you were in school, or if you are in school still, you know this basic formula called PEMDAS, okay. So this is the order in which your operations will take place, and this P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction, okay. And the way you remember this is you can just abbreviate it as please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, if you want to remember this order, okay. And so this will be the priority, or this will be the order of your operation. So if you want to prioritize something, enclose those operation in the parentheses. So if you want to do 3 plus 4 and then multiplication, or you want to multiply by 5, then the priority of this addition is the most important, or this will happen first because this operation is enclosed in parentheses, and then this will happen, okay. And then the order will be like PEMDAS, if you can remember. So for example, I want to do something like this: divide by 6 minus 2, then the parenthesis priority will be the first, and then the multiplication, and then the division, and if you have some subtraction, then this will happen at the last, okay. So in this way you can use numbers and math in your Python programs. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.